In this video, we will be going over a commonly used feature in 3D modeling called a revolve. A revolve is a 3D form that is created by rotating a 2D sketch around an axis. To show you this concept, we will be using virtual reality. For this example, we will show you how to make a cylinder using a revolve. To begin, a revolve starts with a sketch on a plane. Here you can see a blue rectangle drawn on the orange plane. Next, you choose a center line, which is the axis that the 2D sketch will be rotated around. Here you can see the green line, which acts as the axis of rotation. Now the rectangle is rotated around the axis to create that cylinder. Keep in mind, a revolve doesn't always have to be rotated 360 degrees. It can be partially rotated, as you can see here. A helpful tip to visualize what the 2D sketch would look like for a 3D object is to think of it as a slice of the 3D object. For example, to visualize a sphere, you can see that a slice of it would be a half circle. Once that half circle is rotated around the center axis, it becomes a sphere. So now we're going to show a little bit more of a complex revolve, and we're going to be making a wine glass. So first, a closed 2D sketch is created in blue and revolved around the centerline axis. That closed sketch just means it will make a complete solid. But we all know a wine glass needs to be hollowed out, so we're going to be using a second revolve to actually subtract from the middle. So now a second sketch is made, and when that second sketch is revolved, it cuts away and hollows out that form. Then finally, the material is changed to glass and the form comes to life as a wine glass. This is just the beginning of what revolves can achieve, and only one way that you could make a wine glass in 3D modeling using revolves. There's so much more to learn and many ways you could achieve this same thing. There's going to be more links down below about revolves if you'd like to learn more.